Come with us sa store kay the wagging tail is asking for a snack. It's always the scenario basta na ako sa balay sa akong parents. Musunod jud ni siya nako and asking for food. Since si Inday kay pet lover man and those big hopeful eyes are hard to resist, so makakuot jud ka sa angay kuoton. For your info, it's not my dog. Mga nandiyan ni siya once makakita nako. Actually, tulo na sila mag-standby sa store sa akong sister. And I hope everyone show kindness to the voiceless, especially sa mga dogs. Once referred to as man's best friend, and for good reason. Dogs provide unwavering loyalty and companionship. Sila ra ang dili mo judge nimo. By standing up for dogs and all those who cannot advocate for themselves, we contribute to be a more understanding world where every being is treated with respect and dignity.